Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your plants versus Brainrot stats. So to do that, you are going to press the settings button up here. Scroll down until you see the stats button. You can see your time played, your plants planted, Brainrots defeated, rebirths, money boost, luck boost, and Robux spent. So time played for me is almost, kind of almost 3 days. 2 days and 18 hours. Plants planted 184, Brainrots defeated 114,000 and counting, rebirths 11, money boost and luck boost, not very important. You can also see here the most plants planted by people. Okay, 200,000 is insane. Defeated 6.7 million. I feel like all people are AFK in this game, but that's where you can see your stats in Plants versus Brainrots. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.